Okay, we'll try
G'day everyone, this is basically part 2 of sorting out the foot pedals. I thought it was getting a bit too long, the video. I like to keep it to about 7 to 10 minutes, so I split this one in half. So if you watched the last blog at number 36, this is the follow on. Alright, thank you.
Aha. Spray some degreaser over it. Gives us like a pull through. Doesn't look too bad. I think that'll do. Right, that's better, isn't it? Excellent. Well, we'll just try this.
Well, things are coming along. It's nice and shiny looking now. Just a few spots I can't get into very easily, so I'll use the Dremel. Well, that's it pretty well cleaned up with the Dremel. Yeah, didn't get to every spot, but good enough, really. I mean, it's just too hard to get into some of these little nooks and crannies. But yeah, that's looking okay. Not just for that bit there I just noticed, which I will clean up. Interesting though, with all these Goggomobil bits, they've got their logo. They're all made by Goggo Factory. They even got the part numbers. I guess it's a forging stamp, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, you can see the old springs versus the new springs. So obviously the new one's going to go in, but well, we'll keep these, you never know. A spare's a spare. So a little bit more tidying up with that bit there. And then I'll prep it for paint. Catch you later. So there we go, all painted, looking lovely and shiny and new. So that's it for this video, and I'd like to thank the 10 people who have subscribed, which is 10 more than I thought. Well, probably 9 more. I hoped my wife would be one, but I found out today that she hasn't subscribed yet. So anyway, 10 is fantastic. So thank you to those people who found this interesting enough to bother looking at it more than once. And if you are interested, please subscribe. I don't think it does much for me, but yeah, I suppose it's a bit of feedback, isn't it? Thank you.